welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. So in today's video I am going to be kindly collaborating with Caits eyelashes. So she is one of my closest friends. She's really nice and she's just started up her own business and I really want her to do well. So she's kindly collaborating with me and she sent me over some lovely products. So if you are here, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below as always, and let's get straight on with today's video. So she sent me these lovely products. I have already opened it as I did want to have a look. So yeah, it has her really nice logo on there which just says Caits, and it's in this gorgeous pink packaging, and she has also put my name on the front of there. So we are going to be unboxing this today and I am going to try a pair of her lashes on as well. So yeah, we are going to be trying these on and I shall show you guys what's in this little package. So yeah, let's unbox this. Okay, so the first item I'm going to show you guys is her logo card, which is really cute and just says Caits. And she has left me a lovely message on the back as well, which I am just going to read out. So it just says, "Hey Tasha, you ordered the Pixie, Princess and Effie lashes. I hope you enjoy these gorgeous lashes. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you for supporting me. Stay beautiful, you baddie." From Caits, which is super cute. So yeah, that's the first thing and I really love her logo. And then you also get this little package as well. It just has some eyelash grabbers on there to help you put your eyelashes on with, a little lollipop and a little brush for your eyelashes, or you can even use it for your eyebrows. And in the back it also comes with a little face mask just so you guys can pamper yourself, and it's just a super cute little package. So yeah, that's really cute. So yeah, I picked up 4 pairs of eyelashes, which I am going to show you guys now. So let me get the first 2 pairs. So the first 2 pairs of eyelashes I did pick up were the Pixie lashes, just because they are the most natural ones and I really like them. So yeah, I picked up 2 pairs of these. So these are the Pixie lashes, which are super cute. These have to be my favourite ones. And you can get these on her Instagram, and I will leave her Instagram on the screen. I'll just put it on like every 2 minutes throughout the video, and I'll also link her information and stuff like that down below. So yeah, these are the Pixie lashes, which I really love. So yeah, I picked up 2 of those. The next pair of lashes I did pick up were the Princess lashes, and these are super gorgeous as well. And I really like the gold packaging, really cute and simple, and these are a little bit more of a wispy lash. So yeah, I really like these as well. So yeah, I picked up those. And then the last pair of eyelashes that I did pick up were the Effie lashes. And I really like these ones as well. They are a little bit longer than the natural lashes, but I still love them just as much. So yeah, these are the eyelashes I did pick up. And I think I am going to try on the Pixie lashes in today's video. So yeah, I'm just going to go and do a little time-lapse video of me trying these on. You can also tell how good quality these are as well, as they are very thick and they really don't feel cheap. So yeah, I really like these, so I'm just going to go and cut them down and stick them on. So these are the Pixie lashes now on. I'd say that they do look a little bit natural from far away, but I'd say they are a little bit more of a glam eyelash. And they are really nice and really, really full. So yeah, I really, really like those. So those were the Pixie eyelashes. I'd say they do look a bit more of a glam look rather than a natural eyelash. But they really do look natural in the box. So that's how it kind of gave me that vibe. But I still do really, really like them. I think they do suit me. And yeah, I think they're really, really pretty. So yeah, this is the end of the video. If you did enjoy it, then please leave a like and subscribe down below as always. And yeah, don't forget to go check out Curly Caits. And I shall see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching as always.